I'm in video. Okay, just wanted to make a video. I'm doing a Mishimoto radiator install. So I was live on YouTube and then I switched. So I just kind of wanted to cover real quick on installing this. So one thing right now though is I'm installing it on a aftermarket intercooler. So this intercooler had these bolt holes here. So I guess I'm gonna have to find some bolts here to tighten it down to here because you don't want vibration to rub a hole in your radiator. And then, so it actually takes these little, oh my gosh, this is so heavy now. These little L brackets here, which is hook in here and bolt down here. And it's not 100%, you see how loose that hole is there? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the center here and then I'm gonna stick, so this is way off. So I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna try. Because if I go too far over one way, then it's too far over the other way, and it's just aftermarket with aftermarket, that's a disaster waiting to happen. So I do need 2 bolts, random bolts for that. I'm sure if this was OEM, this would be perfectly fine, but it's not, it never is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thread some bolts in here, and hopefully these can hold that. Let's see how this works out here. I'll get you guys on the tripod. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm gonna go down to my ratchet one I just saw over here. So I'm gonna try to grab the edges of this with some hardware. That doesn't even reach. That's cool. Oh man, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. I have these extra long ones. I don't think these are gonna do anything either. And that holds that, kind of, I guess, from rocking. Keeps it from moving. I gotta tighten these top bolts still. Bear with me on those. I'm gonna tighten those at the end once I get it in here. So let's throw this over. Let's throw this in the car now. So I have the old radiator here, which I don't need. I just need the fan off it, but I'm gonna put that on after the fact. This looks kind of heavy. This is kind of gonna suck. Take this off here, and then trusty stool here. Hold that up. So I gotta put the, well, this can't even go on yet, so actually. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, I guess. So let's throw this up here. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. And so now, let's throw this in here. It does not have the rubber pieces, which are in the bag over here. Hold on, give me the books. Still on there? Oh, still attached. And I totally forgot those plastic pieces. I have new ones here somewhere. There we go. Bam. This one broke off here. And also one of the hardest parts is getting these clipped in with aftermarket things. Okay, put that in. Okay, so we're on there. So now I can take the condenser and kind of line this up here. Depending on how low and high the car is with this. Here is the thing. God damn it. So I fricked up. So I don't even know. Slide that in over there. Gotta slide this in over here. Slide it up. In the slots. Slide it down. This is a pain in the butt. My battery's dying on my stupid thing. We'll get a battery and then continue. Alright, so what you need to do is drill a couple holes here. I'm just gonna eyeball it for these bolts to go in. Comes with 2 bigger Allens, which are they're bigger, but they're 4s or something. So after you drill the holes, usually where this will just clip in to the stock radiator, it just uses 2 bolts. And I literally just eyeball that, and it's fine. Bam, bam. You're installed. Oh, thank you, man. And you can go ahead and, after you get the that on, you can just go ahead and slide your plug your fan in. Plug the fan in here, and then go ahead and try to clip the radiator in here. They just don't make it easy, man. There we go. Okay, so that's clipped in, and somehow that hose ended up on the wrong side, so that's not cool at all. Nice. This hose goes. What the fuck? How did this happen? That's not how that goes. Pretty sure I could be wrong. There's a little detent, a flat spot on here that lines up with this flat spot here, like a little square. And that's how you, whatever. That's how you line up these hoses. There you go. And voila, your radiator's in. Now go ahead and just throw your, where are we at here? Oh my God, this makes no sense. Don't tell me that was on off manual focus. Yeah, so now that the radiator's in, just put it back together. Do not recommend with aftermarket intercoolers. It just fits like crap. Cool. A little update on I'm doing the Precision's Raceworks MPI install, and they added this for your ethanol sensor, so it's powered through their harness. So you got the main one that goes into this spot here, and then I just had to find a purple spot for this purple wire, which I'm gonna just put in any of these. It seems like they're all linked together. I didn't see any mention of that in the instructions, so I'm just gonna do a quick little update here, and then I'll put it in a video somewhere, do a time, whatever, figure that out. But yeah, that's for people that don't know, when you add the, so the harness for the MPI that supplies power to the ethanol sensor, you need to put power to this 12 volt, or this purple wire, and then this is the main one. So the main one goes here, and then I'm just gonna run the purple to any of these. It doesn't matter which one you run it to. And just a little update, that's all.